Back in the day.
We heard the story. Shoulder, toe, knee. Mike reminded us everybody.
Sawdust pump.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Looks pretty enough for them, man. Yeah, I had pals and we only need them right where we put them.